Today I'm going to review some cooked cabbage and also some meatballs. Let's start with the cabbage. The lady that works for me once a week cooked the cabbage, half a big cabbage with 4 medium potatoes, 1 large carrot, half an onion and some salt and fine black pepper. So that's what she said she put in. So it's only the taste I always say. So let's taste what it tastes like. Here goes. This is unreal. She really knows what she's doing. I'll give us an 8.5 out of 10. Now the meatballs, I got the recipe to make quick meatballs. I used 600 gram mince, 3/4 of a packet brown onion soup, and 200 milliliters of milk, and also what I put in extra oats. So here goes. It doesn't smell too great, but let's try it first. Not too bad for a quick recipe, but it's not great either. I rate these meatballs a 7.5 out of 10. Thanks guys, till next time. Love you all.